Oh, hey guys, it's me again, it's Rocky and Wendy here. So make sure you print the subscribe button, hit that, print the like button, hit that. And right now we are unboxing the 3D printer that we got for Christmas, Mega S, Anycubic Mega S, something like that. I forget what it's called, but yeah, that is what we are unboxing right now. This is an unboxing part of the video, so I hope you enjoy the unboxing part. And I believe at the end of the video, I showed you about the token. So make sure you watch until you learn about all that stuff, okay? And during this video, you'll see us putting together the 3D printer, okay? Okay, so we are back from breakfast, huh? For you guys, it's very short. It is very short. So, I'm going to unbox it. Heavy. Let's even put in thing.
So it looks like that's your cables, they're your tools.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, your scraper for scraping the bed, and that's for cutting the pieces of plastic, your Allen keys. Okay, all the parts that we're gonna need. Okay. What else we got here? And this is the Anycubic Mega S 3.
As if any of them would probably know that.
Seems to be nicely packaged. We were a little concerned when we opened it and ended up looking like it was upside down.
That's what's print. That is what prints.
That's right. That's the print head there.
Wait, let me get closer.
There's the print head.
The print head. Right there's where it comes out.
Mm-hmm.
The blue part, I think.
Yep. We got the motors on the back.
You can also get different noses on it.
Nozzles.
Nozzles.
Yeah.
So, what it comes out of.
So we've got your X and your Y motors. That looks like, was that your Y? That's your X and that's your Y, I think.
There's your X and there is your Y, my daddy thinks.
And this is the tube for your 3D filament. Goes up there.
And there's the tube for the 3D filament. It goes up there.
Interesting. Okay, let's see what we got.
Yep. So we got a plugger.
Power cord.
So where's power cord?
Take it out of the package.
Oh, okay.
We're opening everything up.
Oh, okay. It's a weird power plug.
It's a standard power cord. Yeah.
Here you go.
Power cord. Laying out our parts.
I'm getting the scissors for this one.
What do we got here? What do you think that is?
String for the 3D printer.
That's right. So we'll use that as our test filament.
Yay!
All right. You going?
So that means I can do stuff in white.
Instruction manual in Chinese and English. All right.
Just scrape off pieces or something.
So here, and the scraper. Take everything out of the packaging. That's your scraper for scraping the hot bed in order to get the plastic off it. It's nice that they include that.
Yeah. A power cord or plug or something.
Network cable, I think. Or is it a USB cable? What is it? Okay, nice USB cable. Okay. A service card, which my phone will probably scan. What is this? Oh, look at that. It comes with a memory card. That's nice. That's really nice.
Then we don't have have to do the thing.
Thumb drive. Okay, those would be brackets for something.
Plane. For a plane. Or wings.
So probably support brackets for the top rack.
A very long spring.
Interesting. I
Memory
think that's
hard
probably
drive.
for cleaning the filament.
Hard drive.
If I can get it to focus. Doesn't want to focus on that.
Hard drive.
Oh, that would be a micro switch. Probably a overdrive micro switch.
A head.
A spare head.
Oh,
Look at that. Comes with an extra head. Extra nozzle.
nice.
Complete with the
Memory card.
heater. What is it? Heater head, power head.
I think that's a memory card again.
Oh, look at that. An actual memory card. So it comes with the thumb drive and the memory card. Very nice. SD card.
I don't like that one. In Chinese.
And yeah, okay. Quality control passed.
It came from China, so.
Doesn't everything?
It said made in China, so.
Doesn't everything? Anything else in there?
Let me just get my chair properly in. Because I normally like having my chair in a certain way.
We're waiting.
I know. There you go. I'll open the last package. All of the parts.
Open it up.
I'll keep this bag like that,
Oh,
just so we don't lose the parts.
all right. So we've got our bolts and a spring.
And a cutter.
Yeah, we can take the cover off. That's fine.
Quick, no, for kids.
See?
It's for kids.
Well, these aren't bad. I mean, they're not the greatest quality. But they got, a decent spring on it. Super lightweight. Nice and sharp.
Good for kids to
Alright.
use.
No.
They work for kids.
Well, no. Those will cut your finger.
Yes, but I think kids can.
No, not for kids. Alright, Allen keys. Gotta love how there's 4 different Allen keys. And a mini little micro screwdriver, probably for adjusting the head. And what else is in there? Something else in there.
Nothing.
And some more bolts. So that's everything that it comes with. So you get your printer base.
Yep.
You get some filament. It's probably enough to do something small. You could
Yep.
probably print the boat. Thumb drive, micro SD card,
Yep.
a cleaning spring
Yep.
sort of thing, an extra
Yep.
nozzle, complete head actually,
Yep.
bolts, Allen keys,
Yep.
USB cord,
Yep.
cutter, scraper,
Yep.
power cord.
Yep.
Okay, time to build it. So when we unboxed it, we thought that this was a USB stick, but I was wrong. It's actually a memory card reader. So that should open up. Oh wait, hang on. Yeah. Oh, that opens up, and it's a memory card reader. Look at that. So if you have a computer that doesn't have a memory card reader built in, it comes with one free. I like that. It's good thinking. I like how it comes with that, as well as it comes with the spare parts. You get a spare reed switch for the print head. You got a spare print head. You got all the tools you need. Test filament, the whole works. I like it. It's a good package.
And we're filmed.
Okay. So now we build it.
Stop.
I don't know what this spring is for though. I guess we'll figure that out.
Yep. And see that Mandalorian poster? I got that for my dad for Christmas.
So, first thing we do,
Grab the
is
3D
we
printer.
take the frame.
Well, the printer.
And we slide it in. Wait a minute. That bottom piece is gonna get in the way.
I don't know.
Well, now I'm just downright confused. I guess that goes under the printer. Yeah, that goes underneath. Okay. So.
So you understand it?
There we go. need to find
Your
the
computer
holes
turned on.
that this screws into. Right there. Alright.
I am just the one that is filming Rocky Can One Day. This is going to be our new part of the channel, okay? You're going to be doing some of this stuff on the channel, okay?
A few moments later.
Okay. So I got a little angry and put my fist through the wall. Just kidding. I didn't do that.
Yeah, no.
They give you these silly Allen keys, which are, you know, they could be useful, but in this case, they're useless because they can't hold the bolt. I highly recommend that you get a standard 530 seconds Allen key so that you can easily slide it in the hole.
And we also wrapped our
And look at that.
flashlight.
See how much faster that goes? No fighting with it, no arguing, no meandering around.
No,
Yeah,
getting
just
very
like that.
frustrated.
Second one. Get in there.
At least this, you just screw it on.
Yeah, that's one of the reasons why I was happy to buy this printer. Is that it just, you know, 8 bolts, she's together, ready to go.
And wait, 8 bolts and then you can just 3D print?
Almost.
Oh, I didn't even realize that it was that easy. I thought there would be there's 40 things to make.
No, this thing is a really well designed product.
I think it's a good one to buy. Right?
I think it's great for beginners.
Starters?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's probably a good one to do for starters.
But we'll see on.
Yep. Nobody knows.
So you want to loosen these screws right here. Undo that one. Not all the way, just loosen it off. Same thing with the bottom one. And this should slide right in. Loosen off a little more. There we go, that slides right in. And then using your Allen key, you tighten it up. So these are our connectors
Okay.
to the power head and everything.
Okay.
So plug in green to green, black to black, red to red, white to white, blue to blue. So
No, it's red to red, green to green, black to black.
Good.
No,
So
there's no
first
blue to
First we
blue.
connect the black because it's the easiest to get to, and then we do the green. This way we don't have the ones above each other getting in the way of the bottom one. Put in the
7
green one.
minutes in.
Make sure that. That one doesn't lock in place.
Black?
Green. There we go.
Oops.
Dropped our flashlight. Okay, so the white one goes to the filament sensor right here. I'm gonna run it, keep it on the outside so it doesn't get bound up by anything. Plug in the filament sensor. There we go. Oh, that's what the extra bolt is for, probably. Is that filament sensor?
Is it okay that it's like that?
Because it moves. Sure that you stopped it.
Yeah, by accident.
So press record again.
Or it was, yeah, I did.
Okay.
Or it was just a
I think
8-minute
it stopped
thing.
for a while there.
No, it wasn't.
All right. So.
Can you re-say everything
Using the
you said?
screwdriver that it came with, make sure that you have it set to your appropriate voltage. If you're in North America, Canada, United States, you're on 110. If you're in Europe, you're on 220.
We're on what?
And
110?
right now, it's a good thing we're checking because it's set for 220.
We want it to be on 110,
Yeah.
right?
Mm-hmm.
Because we're in Canada.
There we go. Make sure you check that or you're going to blow it up.
Okay, I don't think anybody wants that, do they? How come it's all gray now? No, it's yellow. flashing at 220. What a 3D printer thing. It's flashing.
Okay. That's it. Done, son. Okay.
So now what?
Now we need to level it. So you keep this paper that it came with taped on, because you want to make sure that this nozzle right here, see the nozzle there?
Yep.
Is a paper's width off of the platter. Otherwise, you'll end up destroying the platter and destroying the nozzle.
And good thing it came with a extra nozzle, right? Just in case that does happen. Oh.
So now that we've got it turned on. So first thing you want to do is
setup.
Tools, Home,
Home X?
Home, All.
Oh, good.
Make sure nothing's binding up as it's coming down. You're making sure that your lines here aren't going to get bound up. That looks a little sketchy there. Keep an eye on that in the future.
That seems a little bit too low.
Let's see.
Oh, it edits itself. It changes where it wants to go. Like, let's say if it hits it, it will go back up.
Okay, so that got stuck and it started pushing the nozzle into the platter. So I turned it off, turned it back on by hand.
Ooh. That's cool.
And now I'm going to self-adjust it. SSD pull out. Okay.
Okay, so this is a token right here. A token is what you want to print right away. When you have your 3D printer, once you get it, the first thing you want to print is a token. A token is what's in the background right now. A token is like what symbols your your code name of printing. That represents that you have a 3D printer, basically. Well, I believe. And yeah, this is my token, and it has an M for the beginning of my name, Matthew. So I just put an M in it. Most tokens are different. You can have but most tokens are in circles. So you should make your token like that. And yeah, that's a token. So yeah. Hope you enjoy the rest of the video.